Moving on to the completing exercises section. Again, this is just a little note to be aware of as you are going through the course. There will be many exercises, and there's only going to be one cell that's separating the exercises like this. So for this instance, let's go ahead and answer this exercise, 489 plus 143. So I press Shift Enter, and that's the right solution. But you'll notice that the next cell will be selected, and which is fine. Just some students get confused, and a lot of times some exercises will need multiple cells. So even though just one cell is provided, you'll need multiple cells. Just make sure that you remember how to add cells in, and that's with A, pressing for add above, and you can press X to delete. But oftentimes you will need to add extra cells, especially as the exercises get a little bit more complex. You'll need more, just more cells in order to do the work. So that's how you add them in. The other exercise will be in the way. Just don't be afraid to add those extra cells as you are going through the notebook.